George Hu from Danville, Pennsylvania. For self-improvement, I wanted to know how to really take care of my own cars. Actually very interesting, and I'm actually learning a lot. Today we did exterior, and it was very good. I actually got to observe the wet sanding procedure, and later we went on to polishing. So overall, it was a very informative day, and I'm very happy. I was very amazed at the Tornador cleaning tool. The instructors were great. I learned many new tips and tricks for cleaning the interior. I recommend it if you want to start a business in it, make you a much better detailer.